Hi everyone, welcome back. And let's take a look at problem 3. It says, what is a common method for adding two fractions such as 1/3 plus 1/4? And why does this make sense? Well, the common method would be to look at the two denominators, like 3 and 4, and find a number that both 3 and 4 go into. So such as 12. And so then our new denominator would be 12. So you would multiply this first fraction, and in other words, the 3, you would have to multiply by 4 to get to 12. Well, whatever you multiply the denominator by, you need to multiply the numerator by. So we're really multiplying by 4 over 4 to get 4/12. And then over here, we need to multiply by 3. So we multiply by 3 over 3, which is 1. So 1/4 times 3 over 3 is 3/12. And now we have a common denominator, so we write that down. And we'd have 4 plus 3 is 7 for 7/12. Well, why does that make sense? Well, what we're really doing here is we're taking the 1/3 and we're dividing it into 4 equal pieces. So we know the 1/3 is equal to 4/12. Well, we divided it into 4 equal pieces because of the 1/4. So now over here with the 1/4, we need to divide that into 3 equal pieces. So all of these pieces are going to be 1/12 in size. And so then we'd have 4 plus 3, a total of 7 pieces that are 1/12 in size. So why does that make sense? Well, because it goes back to these fraction circles or fraction rectangles, whatever you want to use. And we're cutting the pieces into equivalent size. Oh, excuse me, into equivalent size pieces. Okay, so please take a look at problem 4. It wants you to write a story problem. Write a compare story problem whose situation is 2/3 plus 5/6. I'm sorry, 2/3 plus something is equal to 5/6. What subtype of compare problem is your story problem? Write an equation for your story problem, a solution equation. So we're going to write a compare problem with 2/3 plus something is equal to 5/6. So 2/3 plus something is equal to 5/6. So go ahead, write a story problem, and then come on back.